graduating this May, and it is exciting. It has been a wonderful journey. I chose the degree in nursing because Old Dominion University has a reputation in the community for being community focused. I am from a small town in Virginia. Having grown up and witnessing firsthand what social determinants of health can mean for health outcomes of people that I loved and the people that I cared about, I wanted to create real change. At the 2026 Knowledge and Creativity Expo at Old Dominion University, I did a project in my preceptorship in the critical care unit at a local hospital. I noticed that a lot of the nurses were uncomfortable working with a specific device called CRRT, or continuous renal replacement therapy. Over time was beginning to interrupt patient care.
So based on that, I developed this.
I did extensive study on this device. I combined information into an infographic that's readily usable at the bedside for nurses and nursing students related to CRRT. The educational coordinator of the unit is deciding to incorporate it in her educational programming for the unit.
Today we celebrate an incredible milestone of our newest inductees.
Sigma Theta Tau International is a nursing honor society. It feels amazing to be a part of the collective of nurses globally that are working hard to further improve patient outcomes. I'm in my 40s. I'm a mom, a wife. I'm a non-traditional student, and I'd like for anyone doubting themselves, thinking, I don't have what it takes to do this. You just need to bring yourself. You've got this. You can do it.